peel the backing. Smear that. Pull away that bait. And then we get an X-Acto knife. And this one's pretty dull, but it'll do. And look how beautiful these drawers will be. Come over. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Check that out. Woo.
If you enjoy do-it-yourself content just like this, don't forget to check out the blog at reconciliationfurniture.com/reconciliation-collection. You will find tons of free do-it-yourself resources, including exclusive content, budget-friendly home projects, detailed step-by-step tutorials with product recommendations, and new content is added weekly. Request a tutorial by dropping a comment, and don't forget to hit that follow button.